And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
A good Monday morning to you, East Texas. Here is a live look from atop the station here on the south side of Tyler, showing just a couple of clouds starting to form out there, and we're going to see more of that into the afternoon. Eventually, even some rain chances potentially. 93 is that current temperature, and right now we're looking at calm winds. 56% is that humidity value. As we look here at what we're seeing on the satellite, not a lot going on, but we have started to see some clouds develop, especially there to the west of the DFW area. Rain chances will be with us here, especially going through the middle part of this week, a 40 to 50% coverage each afternoon, and then we'll start to see them slowly decrease as we go into the weekend. Here's a look at futurecast through this afternoon, and it does show with that daytime heating, we'll start to get some showers and storms popping up by about 3 or 4 o'clock. Then we'll lose that into tonight, and then we'll get yet another chance for some showers and storms as we go through our Tuesday afternoon, with more of that daytime heating giving us that opportunity through the afternoon and evening hours. As far as rainfall amounts go, we're not looking at anything overly impressive, but certainly could see some amounts of a ½ inch to even an inch in some locations, maybe even isolated higher totals than that, especially if you get under one of those heavier storms out there. So we've seen that time and time again this summer, where it just takes one storm to give you an inch or two of rain there in a short period of time. Temperatures right now have really started to warm up. About 90 in Houston, same here in Tyler, about 88 as you head down into San Antonio. And here in East Texas, we are looking at those 90s pretty much across the board, and it's only going to start to get hotter into the afternoon. We'll be looking at those high temperatures into the upper 90s, nearing 100 degrees in some spots, and it's going to feel even hotter than that. You factor in the humidity, and it's going to feel about 10 degrees warmer. 108 to 110 are going to be those feels like temperatures out there. Heat advisory is in effect through this evening, and we're likely going to have another one as we go through your day on Tuesday. Turning our attention now to the tropics, we have seen that storm that we've been tracking here all across the Atlantic, Hurricane Erin, but out in the Gulf in particular, things are quiet for now, likely to stay that way for the next 7 days. But now focusing on Erin here, you can see how large this hurricane is, a very large hurricane near the Turks and Caicos Islands. There's the Bahamas right there. Winds right now 140 miles per hour, making this a very powerful Category 4 hurricane. And this motion is expected to continue off to the northwest, eventually turning due north, and then we'll see it move, kind of threading the needle between Bermuda and the east coast of the U.S., and that will provide some high surf and really a lot of rip current risk there for the east coast before Erin moves out to sea and starts to weaken. But today here in East Texas, 97 is that high, partly cloudy with a few storms possible. Tonight will be partly cloudy and humid. Those lows will be in the 70s. And as we look here at what we're seeing on your 7-day forecast, those rain chances will be increasing by the middle part of this week, 40 to 50% each afternoon, and high temperatures coming down just a little bit by the end of the week thanks to those rain chances. So keep those umbrellas handy this week, especially during the afternoons. That's when we'll have the best opportunity for some of those storms. And for more on that forecast, you can always visit us over at ketk.com.